Here's how to install QuarkXPress 2026 on your macOS. First, you need to activate a trial or purchase a license. Go to quark.com. Next, go to the menu at the top. Go to Support and then QuarkXPress Installers. Click on the QuarkXPress 2026 macOS installer. The DMG file will then download automatically. Don't forget to check your browser notification to see when the download has finished. It will then appear in your Downloads folder. Just double-click on the downloaded DMG file. Then drag the QuarkXPress 2026 icon onto the Applications folder in the same window to install the software. Now the files are starting to copy into the Application folder. Next, go to Applications and launch QuarkXPress 2026. You will get a verification prompt, then click on Open. Choose the product configuration as QuarkXPress. Click on Continue. Make sure your system is connected to the internet. Enter your username and password. If you have forgotten your password, click Forgot Password. Then enter your email here and click Submit. Check your inbox and junk folders for your password reset link. Read through the license agreement and then click Agree. Once you have entered your username and password, you can get designing in QuarkXPress 2026.